Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a level-based door whenever you walk up to it. You can walk right through. You will need a leaderboard for this. I, of course, have that in the description for you guys if that's something you would like. But just so you guys know, I'm not going to be showing you how to make that leaderboard. It's just going to be basing it off of the script that I already have. All right, so the first thing we are going to do is create our door. So I'm not going to be too fancy with my door today. I'm just going to create a part here, and that'll be good enough. I'll just make sure it is anchored. Where is anchored? There we go. Awesome. All right, so this is my door. And then just so you guys know, I have an XP giver and leaderboard like I mentioned in the intro. The leaderboard is what I was talking about, and the XP giver is just going to make it a little bit easier for me. I can click into here and you guys can see what that looks like. Nothing too crazy. We'll hop back over here and back to our door. So we'll make our door here. There we go. Fantastic. And I'm just going to change the name here to door part. First, I think I should show you guys what's in my leaderboard. So like I normally do, I've got leader stats up here, and then we'll be pulling the level, but I've also got cash and XP. And all this mumbo jumbo that's down here, this is just the calling and the saving of the data from the data store that we have, or that I have at least, just so I can save this information because I enjoy doing that. So we'll hop back over to our door then. I'm just gonna close out of that. And we're going to insert a script into our door part. So insert object in script. There we go. And I'm just going to name this script door controller. And this isn't very many lines of code, but I do have it in the description if that's something you guys want to do. So the first thing we're going to type out is script.parent.touched::connect function player. If I can spell player right, there we go. Awesome. Next thing we are going to do is check to see if the player is a humanoid. We're going to completely ignore the fact that there's AI things in here because it really annoys me. Anyways, if player.parent::find first child is a humanoid, then, because every time the object is touched, I swear if this stuff keeps coming up, I need to find the setting to remove it. So next thing we will do is find the player. So local players equals game, get service, and we're just going to get the player's service here. And then local player equals players colon find first child player dot parent dot name, and this is just grabbing the character from it. And then we'll call in the leaderboard as well. So local leaderboard equals local player dot leader stats. There we go. And now if the leaderboard dot the level, like I was showing you guys earlier, and that value is greater than or equal to, let's just say 2, then, and we're just going to make it so the door becomes transparent and we can walk through really quickly. You can animate it if that's something you want to do. Now I will take the actual AI stuff. This is all I'm going to do, and oh goodness gracious, I'm not a fan of this stuff. We're going to make that 1 actually. There we go. All right, we'll just type out what we want to do here. So the script.parent.can_collide, just making it so it is able to be walked through, and then transparency, we can see that as well. All right, so we'll go ahead and hop on into the game now, and I'll just test it out. I'm level 1, should be level 2 for us to walk through. I'm going to try to walk through. That didn't work. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and stop the game. I'm going to come over to door controller, and I'm going to change this to 0, and then we'll press play again. And now we'll try to walk through, and as you'll see, I'm able to walk right through the door. So if this video was helpful for you, or you just enjoyed it, please feel free to give me a like, maybe subscribe, or give me a comment about what you would like to see next. That'd be fantastic. I'm always looking for more ideas. The model will be in the description, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.